Hey guys, welcome back. As promised, this is the full video of the house tour. So here we are on our way to Syokimau so that we can be able to, we're actually looking for this place because we weren't exactly sure of the location. And have you noticed this vehicle had a dog, and the driver had written on the dashboard Kadudu. I really found that hilarious. So we're almost arriving at the site, and you can see there is the display, and we are about to arrive. So here we're just waiting for them to open for us the gate so that we could go in. They had already closed for the day, but they were kind enough to let us in. And when we arrived, we were able to find that one of the ladies had been informed. So this is their main master plan. This is how the whole property looks, and she took us through it. She was very nice. This is now the sitting room, how the sitting room looks. Guys, can you see how beautiful the decor is? Look at how well placed it is, the dining area from the kitchen. And you can see the kitchen is semi-closed. Can I call it semi-closed? Because where you're doing the cleaning and what have you is not visible to your visitors. Then I like the fact that it has a separate balcony here, so you can do all your washing here and you don't have to use the front balcony. And now this is in between the blocks. They would be having seats for the class, for the residents to live. This is the kitchen pantry. We are back into the sitting room, and you can see how beautiful it looks. So this is at the entryway, where they've put even for you a shoe rack where you can put your shoes. I really loved the lights. Can you see how beautiful they are? I mean, the person who did the decor, kudos. I just loved everything about the sitting room. It was really well thought out, and that is why I've taken an interest in showing you how the decor actually looks like, and you can borrow these ideas for your own personal space, because I just think they're just wow. The way the decor was done, they did an excellent job as far as I can say. Now this is their balcony, the sitting room balcony. I wasn't able to go out there because there are some people who are having some lunch, but the balcony is quite spacious. You can see they're seated very comfortably. This is the corridor now. We are about to start seeing the bedrooms, how the bedrooms look like. You can see that the corridor is very spacious. Look at their bathrooms. I like the bathrooms. They have everything that you can need. They have a mirror. They have the towel rack. There's a toilet. They have a cabinet down there where you can put your toiletries. And the bathroom that is well placed because it will always have enough lighting. I also liked the fixture. They were very nice. And you can see how the shower looks like. The shower was also very nice because it has the big shower and the small shower. So I really love this place. Look at the doors. They have glass doors. That's a unique feature that I've not seen anywhere else. So now we are in one of the bedrooms. This was the smallest bedroom, if I recall properly. It was the smallest bedroom, and you can see it only fits one bed and the lampshades on the side, and it has a sliding door for the cabinets. So in the property, this was the smallest bedroom out of the three. Then this was the second bedroom. This second bedroom was bigger than the other one. You can see it has some space still on the sides, and I like the way they've staged it. Again, the decor, guys. Are you looking at the decor? It's so well done. You can see the sliding doors. They're quite big, so you won't feel hemmed in. If you're like me, you like space. And this second bedroom, it also is an ensuite. So the decor inside the bathroom is pretty much what we saw in the common bathroom. So it has a towel rack, it has the toilet, it has the showers and the windows, and you can see it's well placed wherever it is. The space is sufficient. Then that is the bedroom. It's kind of like a master bedroom, a second master bedroom. You can see the sliding cupboards. So now we've entered the master bedroom. The master bedroom actually clearly is big. You can see the bathroom even from the entrance. It's bigger than the other rooms, and that is expected anyway. I really loved the placement of it. It looks very spacious and it had an airy feel to it, and it was very well organized and conceptualized. I really loved that. Then I just loved the bed. Guys, have you seen this bed? I like the way the curve. Can you see? It's quite a unique bed. I loved it so much. And even above the headboard, that decor that is there, it's very, very nice. Then the master bedroom has a balcony, and their balcony is very spacious. Just have a look and see. It's quite big, and you can see, again, as I said, the decor. I just love the decor. I can't overemphasize it. You can see it fits so well. The two seats are fitting there so well, and this is how the area looks like from the front. And that is the sliding cabinet doors. You can see them.